Stop paying for ChatGPT. Seriously, Google just released a lineup of AI tools that gives you almost everything you're paying for, and some things ChatGPT can't even do yet, for absolutely free. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 hidden gems inside the Google ecosystem. We're going to build a voice app from scratch, turn boring PDFs into engaging video documentaries, and generate hyper-realistic voiceovers without spending a dime. These tools are unlimited, they are powerful, and number 6 is going to completely change how you make content. Let's get started.
Tool number 1 is Google AI Studio, App Builder. Welcome. The first tool on our list is inside Google AI Studio. Head over to aistudio.google.com. That is where we are going to access this particular tool. From the dashboard, click on the Build in the left corner over here. This feature helps you develop any app you want using just a simple prompt. For this example, let's say I want to create a conversational voice app. I'll simply click on this option. Now I need to describe what I want the app to be about. I have a prompt ready that I'm going to use right here. As usual, every prompt I use in this video can be found in the description or the comment section. I will paste the prompt into this box just like this, and then click on Build. Our app is now building, so let's give it a moment. Okay, the app is done building. I just need to click on Allow to grant it permission to hear my voice when I speak. Currently, the microphone is off, so let me turn it on. I'll click on Start Session and then Allow.
Hey, I need motivation for my gym workouts today.
Hey there, ready to crush this workout? What are you doing today?
Today I'm doing legs workout.
Leg day! You got this! Feel the burn and see the results.
As you can see, this actually builds exactly what I wanted to communicate with. If you like the result, you can save it right here. You can also download the app entirely or share it with your friends and family using the Share button so they can use it as well. And the best part? You are doing this for free. Now let's move to the next tool. This is also free and currently unlimited. I don't think it has any usage limits yet. This is the site we are going to use to generate our own AI video generator app using this new technology. But the first thing we need to do is log in. Click on Sign In right here. I'll continue with my email account. Great! The sign-in was successful. As you can see, this platform lets you build, edit, and share mini-apps using natural language. Currently, this platform is in experimental mode, which is likely why it is free. Down here in the gallery, you can see apps that have already been created, such as a blog post writer, city builder, fashion stylist, and many more. They even have a video maker, but we are going to generate our own custom app using the prompt I copied earlier from ChatGPT. I'll come back up here and hit the Create New button. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to use a specific prompt to develop my own app. Remember, the prompt used to create this app, as well as the prompt used inside the app, are both in the description. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here. Once pasted, I'll simply click on Send. The platform has already started creating the app for us. Let's give it a moment. And there it is. The app has been created. It actually gave it a title like Videocraft. Now I'm going to start creating with this app. I'll click on the Start button. First, I need to describe my scene. I have already created a scene description, so I'll copy this 3D scene prompt and paste it into the description box. You can also upload an image if you like. They are asking for the duration, so I'll type 10 seconds. For the frame rate, I'll go for 30. And for the aspect ratio, since this is for YouTube, we will use 16:9. For the video style, since I want a 3D look, I'll select that. Next, you can select background music or effects. I'm going to upload a background music track right here. One great thing about this tool is that you have plenty of time to customize everything. If you check the workflow panel, you can see exactly where we are in the process, currently at the background stage. I'll hit send. You can also choose a transition. I'm going to type mix or crossfade and hit send. It is now processing. It will move through these steps and deliver our final video. As you can see, the video is done. Here it is. Now let's apply the background music and the fade transition we selected. I think crossfade works best, and apply it. Finally, come to the Export and Share section. You can download it as an MP4 or GIF, or share it directly to Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. I'll go ahead and download it.
Let's see.
You'll notice there was no dialogue in the video. That's because we didn't add a dialogue feature to our app initially. However, you can use the Suggest Edit feature here to add that functionality, which is exactly what makes this tool so powerful. I actually have a full tutorial dedicated specifically to Google's Opal, so be sure to check that out after this video. The next tool is the updated NotebookLM. This is incredibly powerful when you are doing any kind of research. As you can see, it has some featured research examples, but here is a research project I did myself. The standout feature used to be the audio overview, but the thing I really love now is the newly added video overview. There are a lot of features here. You can add multiple sources on the left, which helps you organize the websites you visited and the information you're gathering. It makes your research concise and organized. If you've used NotebookLM before, you know about the audio overview, but the new video overview is amazing. I simply click on it, and the AI starts generating a video presentation of my entire research. Let's give it a moment, and you'll see what I mean. The video is done generating. Let's play a snippet.
So, you want to succeed on YouTube. But let's be real. It feels like trying to get noticed at the world's most crowded party, right? Everyone's got a camera, everyone's got a dream. So what does it actually take to break through in 2026? This quote right here from entrepreneur Dan Martell, this is the whole secret. It's this powerful idea that even though a million is. And yeah, that starting line, it feels less like a race and more like a traffic jam on a holiday weekend. I mean, with more competition than ever, it is so easy.
All of this is AI generated. It makes research so easy and fun. If you're looking for a place to do professional research for free, this is your best shot. Now let's go to our next tool. This is actually inside Gemini, and it's completely free. We're going to create a presentation out of a text document. Go to Tools and select Canvas. Click on the plus sign to upload a document. I'll go ahead and upload a transcript of a video I did for the Nano Banana Pro model. Once uploaded, I'll just give it a simple prompt, create a presentation out of this. Then I hit send. Gemini will start creating the presentation for us. The outcome will blow your mind. As you can see, the presentation is done. Let me show you the slides. It actually added text, images, and formatted everything nicely. If you're happy with it, you simply have to export to slides, click the download button, or share it directly. The next tool is Pomeli. This is actually brand new from Google. What this tool does is analyze the DNA of your website, basically the typography, fonts, logos, color schemes, and everything else to help you generate posts for social media. I'll click on Get Started and input a website link here. Then click on Generate Ideas. It will analyze the website and give me ideas on how to promote it on platforms like TikTok and Facebook. The first batch is done. It gives you ready-made posts like this. The good thing is you can always edit them. You can tweak the text or the design. I can also go back to Campaigns and select another option to generate more ideas. This is perfect for business owners who don't have enough time to constantly create content. You just give it your website, it generates the ideas, and you simply download and post. The next tool is text-to-speech with Gemini. It offers supernatural AI voices, and it is 100% free and unlimited. This is similar to ElevenLabs, but without the usage limits or cost. Simply come to AI Studio and click on Text-to-Speech. What is great about this is you can have single-speaker audio or multi-speaker audio. Let's say I want to create a conversational audio file. I'll type what I want the first speaker to say here. Then I'll type the line for the second speaker. You can keep adding more dialogue rows. When you're done typing, you select the AI voices. You can preview a handful of them to find the best fit. I'll select this voice for speaker 1 and this voice for speaker 2. Then simply click Run. When the voiceover is done, I'll play it so you can hear how it sounds and compare it to paid tools.
Okay, this is how to use Google AI Studio to generate voiceover.
Oh, wow, that's impressive. I heard it's free to use and unlimited?
Hell yeah, it's free and unlimited.
You see, you're getting hyper-realistic AI voices for free. To be frank, this is the AI tool I use to generate all the voices you hear on my channel, including the one in this video. Finally, let's move to the next tool, the image model. There have been huge updates to Gemini's image capabilities, including updates to models like Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to do something specific. I will upload an image of a lady right here. Then I'll give it a prompt to change the vibe and the background, but strictly instruct it to keep the subject intact. It shouldn't alter the person. I have pasted the prompt here, and I'll simply click Send. It is regenerating now. And there you go. It changed the background, the vibe, and the look, but the subject remains exactly as she was. This is a game changer. I'll go ahead and save this.